Aloha lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's Saturday here in Samoa. Special whatalofa to our Ainga members. We're just on our way to the farm. Day went really well today. Went in the morning to drop off Pa and the boys after a hard week planting tiapula, a lot of farm chores, and then afterwards stopped by at Taro to meet one of the fans, Nina and TJ. So it was really happy to see them. It was Nina's birthday. They're from Sydney, Australia, and it was really good. It was really nice to see the fans. So she got us, they got us stuff for the kids, sweets and stuff, and also made a kind donation for our channel. So yeah, I'm feeling very blessed. We had breakfast with them in the morning. Then after that I had to make my way back to the plantation. So was very blessed today with their presence, and I just want to give a big shout out to Nina and TJ for always thank you for always watching our channel. If you guys saw there, we had a nice big photo at Taro, so it was really nice of them to have me over, and I really appreciate it. And that's just something I'm gonna start doing, is just meeting up with the fans when I can. As you guys know, we are pretty busy here on the farm, so just here at the farm today to bring water for the cattle, and then we'll head down to get some taro for Sunday till night tomorrow. But just a general checkup here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys, share our channel, and see you guys soon. See the cows already here, super thirsty. All right, so we've got to hurry up. Alright guys, just finished pouring the water for the cows. You guys can see they're all on their way back now. Everyone is well and truly quenched. Thirst is quenched. They used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's about 9 containers. Small ones are 20 liters, the larger ones are about 30, I think. So that's about minimum 180, maximum 270, between, let's say, 200 liters of water. But I need to go get some Just gonna go grab some coconuts, but also need to get taro and taro leaves for our tonight tomorrow. So yeah, join me guys. But first, I need to get the water containers onto the truck. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna head to the other side there to see if we can get some taro. But yeah, while we head there, I just wanted to show you guys the progress we've made in the new plot that we're planting. So if you guys see there from the drone footage, we've made it all the way through down to the new plots. Just a few more trees to clean out, but the majority of the work is done. We planted all the tiapula onto the plot. We've got about another 5,000 coming in this week, which will plant more on the other side of this plot, but for the most part it's all done now. So we're really grateful for the boys and the hard work they've put in this week to get the job done for this plot, given that it's quite large as well. So, and also, you know, as I mentioned before, got to meet one of the fans, Nina and TJ from Sydney, Australia. They were here in Samoa to celebrate Nina's 50th birthday, so it was really nice meeting them today. Also met them yesterday. We had breakfast this morning. You know, I'm not really used to meeting the fans, so it was something new, but I really enjoyed it, and you know, I feel really blessed to have fans such as them, you know, that really see the value in our channel. So I really appreciate each and every one of you guys that enjoy our channel. You know, really helps out, you know, and see that there's an impact. Really helps me make more great content. So big shout out to Nina and TJ, and happy birthday again as well. I think I already see some taro here, so I think we'll grab a few. We also need to get to some luau, but I just want to go see that plot down there, if there's any taro, because we are hoping to harvest that sometime soon, or what's left of it, given that there were a lot of cows and that one was pretty badly damaged from the cows. So just gonna go have a look. So see, there's still quite a lot of remnants of where the cows were trampling all over the plantation. See there? So they've been just lying around, damage, so much damage. But I'm really looking forward to owning a firearm soon, so again, it'll be great for us. Free cattle. You know, just walk down this way. Oh, we've got some pumpkin growing in here, so that'll be good as well when we harvest the pumpkins. All right, I'm just gonna grab some taro from in and around here, and yeah, also get some luaus. Let's go. Right, I think I've got enough, so I'm just gonna head back to where I'll clean them up, and then I think we'll go from there. Yeah, it should be enough now. Alright, gonna quickly clean them up, and then sun's getting a bit low, so we'll clean them up, and then we'll head to the car to put the taro on top, and then find some luau. Alright guys, so we finally got our taro. See in the net in the sack there. Just gonna head to the car. If we find some more taro along the way, we'll definitely get it, because again, I'd rather have it than let the cows trample all over it. But we only need enough for our tour night tomorrow, so yeah. Ooh, almost missed this one. All right, let's continue. All right, finally at the car. I'm gonna grab some luau. All right, got our luau. Also found 3 more taro. You got that one. And these 2 here. Just found it around here. This crop is still growing, but I think these taros were from the previous crop. So that's a uli there, and then these are 2 taros. So yeah, go head back to the car, and yeah, I think we're gonna head off. It's getting dark. Maybe just chill for a bit before we head off. Really tired. Oh, forgot coconuts. Let's get coconuts. Alright guys, last bit of business for today. Get the coconuts and we're off. Luckily we've got some nice ones here, so it should be fairly quick. Alright guys, might need both hands for this, just to make it a bit quicker because it's getting dark at the moment. be enough. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 8. We'll find another 2, but if not, this should be enough. It's just for luau ulo tomorrow. But usually with luau ulo, I'll always add a bit of water just so that to cook the taro leaves. So this should be enough. Alright guys, I think that's the end for today. Yeah, the cows look okay. It's getting a bit dark now. If you're watching this episode, today is actually the let's see, today is actually the 25th of May, and it's a little after, so it's 11 minutes past 6 at the moment. If you're watching this the same day, so it's the 25th of May in your area, in your country, that's how quick I am able to put out content by myself, and at the same time carry out my chores and stuff. So as soon as I finish chores, get home, quickly edit content and then post it up. So yeah, just to let you guys know, it's fairly quick, but sometimes when I'm just feeling out of it, it takes a little while to get the content out, only because editing does take a wee while. But I've become proficient at it, given that we've almost reached 200 episodes. I've got a whole process going. But yeah, just want to say thank you again, guys. If you've enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you that takes the time out to watch our videos. And it's something I look forward to at the end of the week, is to making content, because not only it's a passion now, but also to show you guys the life here and there here in Samoa. We've hopefully got a big announcement coming. I've got a big project that I'm working on at the moment. Hopefully we can make that announcement in our end of the month podcast coming up. Just to remind you guys that we have our end of the month podcast coming up for this month, so be sure to comment down any questions you guys want me to answer. We'll be sure to post up the post, but in our community tabs. But yeah, it's got a big announcement to make, something that I've been looking forward to, but just haven't had the time to do it. But I think it's now time to. So I'll make that announcement in our end of the month podcast. Be sure to watch that once it does come out. But I'm going to sign off, guys. Just want to say thank you again to each and every one of you that takes the time out to watch our channel. Thank you for supporting, guys. I really appreciate it, each and every one of us here at the family and here on the farm. So thank you again, guys. We'll definitely catch you guys on our Sunday cooking episode tomorrow. But until then, guys, God bless. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.